My name is Tom McCormack. I am the Chief Technology Officer at Western Sydney Airport. I have the responsibility of the commencement of a smart airport in 2026 for passenger and cargo services. We are building the first phase of the airport that will allow for full cargo and passenger operations 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, an airport at the capacity of a JFK or a Heathrow today, in order for us to conduct efficient operations across both our HR and our finance. We've implemented the full suite of Workday products, which creates an environment of a single source of truth, reliability, speed and quality of information. It includes the use of the planning product that Workday provides in terms of our annual and long-term budget forecasting work. What Workday's allowed us to do is to avoid the multiple systems with multiple issues around data quality and transfer of information and the maintenance of that quality from system to system. We've been using the Workday platform for the last 5 years. It's been very effective and has provided high levels of efficiency. One of the paramount issues with aviation is security. Workday is going to assist us in being able to be the single source of truth of the verification of the individual and also their credentials. Aside from our people, our biggest spend is in supply chains. We've extended the Workday platform to the source to pay capability. It's been very successful in supporting our value for money process and ensuring that we're choosing the right supplier at the right price with the right products. Airports are giant supply chains. As we approach our operational state, we're very, very careful in the way that we apply the use of the Workday platform to ensure that we have resilience of that supply chain as we commence our passenger and cargo operations. We are in the exciting phase of finalisation of our systems development and productionisation across the entire airport site. The Workday platform is a part of that. It's been a pleasure to work with the Workday organisation and the people from Workday.